Character walking animation tutorial in Alight motion. There are two ways. 1. Just rotate and locate. 2. Tracing movements. Just rotate and locate will bring us to this community post that I recently made. At first, these look like random numbers, but in truth, they are just rotation degrees. You can find it in Move and Transform Rotation. If you are a beginner, I'd recommend you to watch this tutorial as it covers the basics. First, let's import the character element or model. Go to Element Properties, then Convert to Group. Now I'll hide some layers to decrease the lag. One important thing, the layers in here are parented. In the beginner tutorial, I've shown you two ways to set up the character, parenting and grouping. If I move the parent layer, the child layer will also move with it. In groups, you'll have to move the whole layer and the child layer is inside the group with other layers. In here, the thigh is the whole leg. Now go to the 30 millisecond time mark and add a bookmark. Now another bookmark at 1 second, another one at 1 second and 30 milliseconds. Now go to Move and Transform, then to Rotation. Rotate the font whole leg 40 degrees and add a keyframe at both the start and the end. Then go to the first bookmark and rotate the whole leg 26 degrees, 14 degrees on the next bookmark and minus 18 degrees on the third bookmark. We are done with the font's whole leg. So now, rotate the font lower legs minus 68 degrees. Add keyframes at the start and end of the layer. Zero degrees at the first and second bookmarks and minus 8 degrees at the third bookmark. Are you now able to understand how and where these numbers go? Whole back leg, minus 13 degrees, minus 38 degrees, 32 degrees, 21 degrees. Back lower leg, 0 degrees, 0 degrees, minus 100 degrees, 0 degrees. Now the arms which go front arm is 0 degrees, minus 9 degrees, 7 degrees, 40 degrees. Back arm 0 degrees, 10 degrees, minus 2 degrees, 15 degrees. The head rotates slightly downwards then upwards before it goes back to 0 degrees. The same goes for the body, but you can always rotate the head in any way you want. Time for some location adjustments. Make the body go down at the first bookmark, normal again, and down again at the third bookmark. Keep the font hole like normal, just bring it down at the first bookmark. Same for the back leg. Then some minor hand and feet adjustments. You can also rotate or animate the lower arm and body, but that is solely up to you. Is the duration of the walk too short? Then tap on Edit Group, then on Group Settings. Set the retiming to loop. Now stretch the layer by swiping the arrow at the end of the layer. To make the layer walk from one place to another, simply add keyframes and locate. You can also speed up the walking animation by going to speed and increasing it. Note, it does not work if there are any audio files or video files. Tracing movements. Open Gacha Club. Go to Body, select the walking poses. And take screenshots of these 4 walking poses. Tap on plus, go to Media, View All. Enable multiple layer selection and select the screenshots. Then set the duration to 30 milliseconds. Finally, tap on this timing. Done. Add bookmarks, group the layers, import the model, then decrease the opacity of the screenshot group. And make the poses of the screenshots. How do you say this? So what you do is you take the pose of the screenshots and you make the character pose the same way and keep doing that with all of the poses until all of them are done and you're good to go now.